I'm afraid to swim because I can smell with too much chlorine. It's not good for my hair. I said it's too much chlorine, not good for my hair. It will be very tired and he got no strength tonight to dance. Come to mommy first. Daddy will have swim. You go. Hold her first. Hold her. Hold mommy. Hold mommy first. So take a look first. Bilijan, you watch daddy.
Daddy. Daddy. Oh no.
You watch daddy. Look.
Daddy goes to me.
Wow.
Daddy.
Oh no. Wait. One more, daddy. One more.
No.
Wow. Look. This way. You pull down. Sige. You pull down. Sige. You pull down. Look at that. He's not afraid at all. Come on, Andrew. You have to learn how to swim. You have to learn how to swim. Come, hold mommy.
Just watch him, Mom.
That is like a fish.
The fish.
That is a fish. Where's swimming of PJ?
Daddy.
This with one more. Daddy, come here.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
You go swimming, Andrew. You go swimming. What kind of swimming is that? Look at daddy. Swimming. Careful, Andrew. Be careful this corner. Let him how to swim. You teach him.
That's it.
Careful. Daddy, I want a house with a swimming pool like this inside. I think we can do it if we're in the Philippines though.
Well, then you want to swim for icing. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Slowly.